Garrett Simpson here with MarineMax in Quincy, Massachusetts, and today we're on the 2019 Boston Whaler 330 Outrage. This boat's equipped with a pair of 300 horsepower Mercury Verado V8 power with joystick piloting. Rear facing seat that also converts into a table. Large recessed stern seat here. Boat also has a dive door, which is standard. This boat's equipped with two Raymarine 12-inch hybrid touchscreen MFDs, digital throttle and shift, Mercury vessel view for all your data and information on the engines, triple wide helm seat with flip-up bolsters, fold-down armrest in the center. Boat has an upgraded sound system as well. Large lounge seat forward with plenty of storage underneath for your gear, rods. Full integrated glass into the hardtop. Large head compartment with a vacuum flush toilet. If you'd like additional information, please give us a call at 781-727-0629.